Okay, so we are asked to find the points of discontinuity and classify them as removable, non-removable, and then state the domain. So to find your points of discontinuity, you need to factor your entire expression here. So we can factor a 3 out of the numerator. That will give us 2 minus x. In the denominator, we need two numbers that will multiply to 6 but add to negative 5. So we can look at negative 2 and negative 3. So this will be x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now if you notice, x minus 2 and 2 minus x, those are not the same thing. So this is where we need to factor out a negative in order to switch those around. And then we set our denominators equal to 0. So we have x minus 2 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. So we will get x equals 2 and x equals 3. So these are our points of discontinuity. Now we have to state, are they removable or non-removable? Removable pods are factors that cancel. So we can actually cancel out the x minus 2, which makes this x equals 2 removable. X equals 3, that does not cancel out. We do not take that out of the equation. This is non-removable. Okay, and we got to state the domain. So the domain of this function is broken up at those points of discontinuity. So we can say that our domain runs from negative infinity to 2, from 2 to 3, and then 3 to infinity. That's our domain.